Hey guys, it's Kemkemscurls. My name's Kem, in case you're curious. Thank you for joining me for another video, and if you're new, then welcome. If you've seen this outfit and this look before, that means that you saw my video before this, and I appreciate you for coming back. So, today I am so excited to announce to my YouTube family that I am a brand ambassador for Naturally Azelia, a Black-owned business based in Texas. Love to see it, okay? Oh, and before I start, the owner, Tara, is such a sweetheart. She is great. She's very responsive, and she's just all around sweet person. So I love working with her. But I am here to just show you guys all the goodies I was sent. So I'm going to start with her 3 original products, and then we're going to get into her 2 newest ones. So here is the Herbal Scalp and Hair Growth Serum. It's infused with rosemary, amla, and organic herb vitamins, and it's great for hair loss, problematic, dry, or itchy scalp, and promotes hair growth on all hair types. And it says it's for daily use, and it is 4 ounces, y'all. This is a big boy. If you saw the video before this, it's an empties. Link is above. I actually mentioned that I finished one of these already, so. The next product is the Deep Repair Deep Conditioner. It's a protein moisture replenisher, and it's for dry and damaged hair. It also strengthens and restores. I love her packaging. It's like that, I think it's the pink that just kind of, like, I don't like pink, but it just kind of stands out a little bit. It's super cute. Oh, I forgot to smell the oil for you. I mean, I know what it smells like, but to me, it smells like rosemary. Like, it kind of reminds me of, like, when you get bread at, like, a restaurant and, like, they have, like, the oil with the rosemary in it. Oh, it smells so good. It smells like that to me. But, anyway, this deep conditioner is 8 ounces. The texture is more creamy than thick. It actually moves pretty easily, and if you can see, it has like specks in it, which I'm super excited about. I just feel like it just makes it more natural when it's like there's specks. I don't know how to explain it. This has like it's kind of like a sweet-ish natural scent. It's hard to explain. So what I'm gonna do is go and tell you guys the top 5 ingredients, which is organic aloe juice. Ooh, that's new. Usually it's water, but this is aloe juice. Peppermint leaf extract, yucca or yucca. Yeah, I think it's yucca leaf extract, horsetail leaf extract, and nettle leaf extract. Okay. Ooh, this got pumpkin seed. This got some interesting things in it. I am really excited to use this, especially my high porosity hair. It loves moisture protein balanced deep conditioners. Like, honestly, they might even feel better than when I do just a moisturizing deep conditioner. Like, my hair loves this. So you guys will be seeing me use this soon. And the last product from her original launch is her Scalp Repair Exfoliating Scrub. It's infused with mint, essential oils, and vitamins. It detoxifies, cleanses your scalp to help with problematic itchy scalp, and encourages hair growth for all hair types. And this is 6 ounces. The first couple ingredients are organic brown sugar, olive, sweet almond oil, lemon oil, and peppermint oil. She has a lot of like the good oils in here, like the oils that you don't really see all the time, and I love that. And you guys, I'm gonna try. It does have a lot of oil in it, so I can't like tilt it over, but it looks like a body scrub, and I'm so excited because I have one for my scalp now. I love a body scrub, so this is exciting. Plus, as I mentioned, my scalp itches a lot, so I feel like this would definitely help actually like detoxify my scalp, and then I can like wash my hair. But it smells like brown sugar to me. Brown sugar with like some oils mixed in, which is exactly what it is, and I love that. I can't wait to show you guys how these things work. Okay. And then her two new products are right here. So the first one is the Mint Moisturizing Shampoo with sea berry and kiwi extract. There's no sulfates, silicones, or parabens. It's 100% organic, color safe, and it clarifies and soothes the scalp, and it's for all hair types, and it is 8 ounces. The first couple ingredients are aloe barbadensis leaf juice, sea berry oil, soybean oil, ginger root oil, and peppermint oil. She got a lot of. One thing about Tara is she gonna put some good oils in a product, okay? Oh, this smells so good. Now, I've never seen or smelt a sea berry, but I really assume this is what it smells like because it does have like a fruit scent, but it's like a fruit that I've never smelled before. And when I look at this, y'all. This is not the bottle. The bottle is not this color. This product is this creamy. I can't wait to show you guys. And then the last product is her hydrating conditioner with avocado and kiwi extract. And it has the same, no silicones, no sulfates, no parabens, and it hydrates dull, dry hair. It helps with detangling and moisturizing, and it also soothes the scalp. You guys, my scalp is gonna feel so good. I just love when my scalp is just like refreshed and soothed because it always itches. But okay, it's also 8 ounces, and the first ingredients are aloe barbadensis leaf juice, avocado oil, beetroot extract, peppermint oil, and yucca leaf. This has a more like fresh scent to it. Ooh, this smells like kiwi, which I can't eat. Like for some reason, kiwi makes my throat itch, but it smells really good. So I definitely can't wait to show you guys this either. So what I'm thinking is I'm going to film a wash day using all the products, and then I'm gonna start like highlighting certain ones for certain things. We just gonna get into it. But yes, so stay tuned for that, y'all. That was the last product. I'm so grateful, so excited, so thankful. Just I cannot wait. This is about to be a great 3 months working with Tara and all the other brand ambassadors. Can't wait. So that's all I have. Make sure you check the link in the description box just to check out the products. You can read more about the ingredients. I only gave you like the top 5 or 6, I think. So if you want to read more into the ingredients or more about her brand or anything like that, please click the link in my description box. You can also follow her on Instagram at Naturally Azelia. And yeah. So make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend, tell a cousin to tell a cousin. Follow me on Instagram. The link is in the description box. And check out the other link in the description box. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye!